Good evening, I'm Micah Mater.
And I'm Ray Cortopassi.
Right now at 9, mask mandates have an expiration date. Next Monday, the state, Cook County, and now the city of Chicago all lift COVID mandates in some public places.
And WGN's Mike Lowe has the story from City Hall, where the mayor made that announcement today.
It's important for us to recognize this moment for what it is. A huge step forward.
The end of the month will bring the end of the mask and proof of vaccine mandates in Chicago.
We will remove the indoor mask mandate and the vaccine requirement for certain public locations on February 28th.
Mayor Lori Lightfoot announced the city had reached a turning point during a news conference at City Hall today. The move will bring the city in line with Cook County and the state of Illinois, all of which will end mask mandates on Monday, February 28th.
This is a good news day for us because we're seeing ourselves on the downward slope of this Omicron surge.
The city is lifting those restrictions in restaurants, bars, and gyms, but keeping the mask mandates in place in Chicago public schools.
Transfer to Red Line trains at Belmont.
On public transportation, in healthcare settings, and other congregate spaces like shelters.
I feel very confident that, in fact, we are right on track.
Chicago Public Health Commissioner Dr. Allison Arwady says she's seen positive signs in recent COVID data collected by the health department. The city's so-called risk matrix, which takes into account the cases, testing, and hospital data, shows every category in the middle to low risk zones. Over the last week, the deaths are down 51%. The average daily case rate is down 37%, and hospitalizations are down 29%, meaning there is plenty of bed space for those who need medical care.
And in our ICU beds, 22% capacity. That's great. So lots of space. We're in a good place.
The mayor said she'll continue to monitor COVID trends in the city and could bring back mitigations if needed.
Make no mistake, I will not hesitate, nor will Dr. Arwady, to take the steps that are necessary to protect lives in the city. We have that obligation.
But Dr. Arwady says the way to keep from going backwards is for the unvaccinated to get their shots.
I do want to emphasize that getting vaccinated, even now as the risk is falling, remains the most important thing that you could do.
Mike Lowe reporting, and the announcement came at a crucial time for many restaurant and bar owners who say they need more federal funding to stay afloat, and they hope lessened mitigations will bring more customers back.
WGN's Megan Dwyer live in the Edgebrook neighborhood where she spoke with residents and bar owners. Megan.
Micah, Ray, some people tonight absolutely thrilled. Others, especially those with very young kids, are a little worried this could be moving too fast. Regardless of where you stand on the issue, things will definitely change next week.
Having to ask for your vaccine card kind of pushed everybody away.
It was the news so many have been waiting for.
Love it. Love it.
And at City's Edge Bar tonight in Edgebrook, it was cause for celebration.
I think now they're realizing that businesses need to get going again, and you know, people have already been exposed or already vaccinated, and they're ready to move on.
The mandates won't officially be lifted until Monday.
We don't believe that there's any further need for these mandates, but it's up to the individual businesses.
Today, the mayor said the extra requirements were only put in place on January 3rd because we were in the middle of a surge. At one point, more than 10,000 Chicagoans a day were diagnosed with COVID.
I think when Omicron first came out that it was definitely scared people away.
Time's gone out, and I think people are ready to move on now.
The Illinois Restaurant Association says today's news is a sign of better things ahead. Restaurants and bars on the brink of closing say it's just in the nick of time, too.
They can't survive if they keep this up. They won't.
While proof of vaccination may no longer be needed to get a drink, City of Chicago employees will still need to get a shot.
We have not changed that one bit. The rules have been very clear.
Some, though, fear it might be too much too soon, a move motivated more by politics than metrics. The Chicago Teachers Union fears too few young students are vaccinated. In a statement today, the CTU said masks remain a critical layer of safety against a virus that continues to infect and cause deaths every day. So the city is still offering some big incentives for people to get vaccinated. The mayor was asked today whether she will continue to wear her mask in indoor places, and she said absolutely, at least for the time being. We're live in Edgebrook tonight. Megan Dwyer, WGN News.
Thank you, Megan.